15 to 20 bags. Due to our overhead bin space, we'll fill it between zone 6 to zone 8. So if you're in those last 3 zones, keep in mind that we may tag your bag. As well as FAA regulation on us, 2 pieces of board, 1 carry-on, 1 personal item. Anything additional to the 2 items we ask for you to please consolidate.
Ever since its inception in 2006, I have always wanted to see a World Baseball Classic game. Having resolved to finally take the plunge this year, I took a pleasant 3-hour flight on Delta into George Bush Intergalactic and rode the express bus to downtown Houston, one of the 4 host cities of the tournament. I failed to go to the WBC even when it came to LA in 2009 and 2017, so when I learned that Daikin Park in Houston would be a host venue, I couldn't pass up the opportunity. I had secretly hoped that Mexico would win their group and play in the quarterfinal game I would attend. Alas, the promising Mexican team was replaced mid-tournament by La Selección, spurted out to Italy 9-1 in their last pool game and were eliminated from the tournament. All that aside, it was good to witness how the tournament has finally come of age with increased interest from baseball fans, as these $100 tickets for nosebleed seats and $40 for parking 2 blocks away can attest to. So why not share the moment with some good friends? Sadly, in today's culture of no, I was not permitted to take my pro camera inside, so I made do with my less than ideal phone camera to capture the scenes inside. The quarterfinal game would host the United States and Canada, with its Milk-A-Toast brand of fandom. The game itself was tight yet entertaining, as expected of 2 teams with equally talented rosters. In the end, USA beat Canada 5-3, advanced to the semifinals in Miami, and beat the Dominican Republic to step foot in the finals. There, Venezuela rose to the occasion and won the game and the tournament. As for me, I returned home with the hope that I can experience the WBC again in the future, hopefully with a little more flair.